As a child, I didn't learn what it meant to burn until I burned. I discovered what the sea smelled like for the first time. I realized what it meant to find love and lose it. I discovered the happiness of something very big. And the little things. My love for chocolate and the pleasure of good wine. If everything in your life has been about learning and enjoying every experience, what prevents you to live a new one? What's stopping you from enjoying an exclusive freshwater cruise in company of yours? Share an unparalleled experience browsing a unique micro-paradise in the world just for you and those you love most. The luxury of living, feeling, discovering, simply enjoying exclusively and in company of special people in your life. Live a personalized experience full of passion, adventure, and moments unforgettable experiences on the most exclusive freshwater cruise in Spain, because you deserve it. Don't let them tell you. Tell it. Experiences in your micro paradise.